Welcome to RestoCycle. We have a little MiniTech for you here. We're working on a crash-damaged Honda CBX here, and part of our service is just to give it a good tune-up while we're doing our thing. So we, of course, are rebuilding the carburetors and some new rubber carb insulators, and, of course, a valve adjustment and inspection while we're here. Behold, 24 valves, 24 buckets, 24 shims. This is not a fast project. This is the perfect time, however, to do what we refer to as a manual adjustment of the cam chain tensioner. And this is important on these bikes. These Hondas have these interesting sort of bow and spring cam chain tensioners. And there's a few different procedures. Two procedures have evolved through Honda's own manuals. One specified while the motorcycle's running that you loosen the tensioners and let them take it up. But a lot of guys have sort of come around to the idea that this is really most effectively done with the valve cover off when the engine is not moving. So we're going to show you how that's done. It's really stone simple. So what we're going to be looking for as we do this, see if I can sneak in here and show you this. Where the heck is it? So down there, that's good. Actually, go from the other side, Joe. See if we can illuminate from there. So down here, I could show it to you a little better. Okay, so right down there, that's the top of the cam chain tensioner. And when I go to loosen it, I'm going to show you what we'll do, and then we'll watch that. And if this thing needed adjustment, that's going to pop up. Maybe as little as 1/8 or so of an inch, but that's plenty when it comes to how much slack it's taken up. So the procedure goes like this. I'm going to stand over here, and we've got a 17mm box end wrench sitting here on this on the crank end. So I'm going to put pressure. I'm going to really be acting like I'm rotating the crank, which is going to put all of the slack to the rear where the tensioner is. It's going to take up all the slack on the front, and the tensioner sits on the rear. And then when we loosen the tensioner bolt, which is down here, and this is a perfect time to get it while these carburetors are off. I mean, you can get it any time, but it's just easy here. So while I'm holding tension on this, pulling the slack out of the chain, I'm going to give Joe the yo-ho, and he's going to loosen that nut, but we're going to not do that until I'm ready with the camera so you can see if that tensioner moves. And this is the idea. And then we'll do the same thing on the upper one, but this is the one that's kind of trickier to do. So here we go. I'm going to come over here, see if I can get that tensioner in view. Okay, that's just right. Whoops, no, you were good there. That's good. All right, now I am leaning on that wrench. Go ahead, Joe. Loose. Loose. Okay, go ahead and tighten her back up. Don't kill it, just snug it. Snug. Snug is good. Okay, that's it. That's your MiniTech. Now we've got the big A cam chain tensioner is all set and good to go. We'll follow it up with this B one here. This is the smaller of the two for the upper. That's done with this setting here. This is a lock nut, and then the actual tensioner bolt here. So we'll loosen that lock nut. We'll loosen this. It'll do pretty much the same operation, go kasproing, and that's how that one is done. But that's a much shorter chain and under much less pressure. So it tends to move a little less. Okay, there you have it. There's your MiniTech for today. Thanks for watching.